and just looking over the box there, you can kind of see the actual shape of how this thing is. It's PVC reinforced. It's fully waterproof in there. It's got an elevated base, so it keeps it up and dry. If you're like me and you got a little outside cat that you want to kind of keep, you know, have him a nice little house, this is something I recommend. So let me just go ahead and open this thing up. Number one, it's packed in there pretty tight. So let's just see what all we get with this thing. Okay, so we don't need the box anymore. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Man, this package is pretty tight. It looks like there's a little bit of assembly to this thing, so I'll go over everything, lay it out, and then we'll see what it's like to put this thing together. Okay, after going over all the instructions, there's a few things that I seen you had to do here. So the first thing they had me do was put this base together, and let me show you all it is. You basically slide these poles in here. You've got 2 long poles on the outside. This is Velcroed. Take that Velcro piece off, slide that on there, put the little feet right here, these legs right here, slide down in there like that. It's a 4 or a 3-way piece just like that, and there's your base. Pretty simple on that. Basically, you build this rectangle type item here. Same way, you just run these, they're like tent poles almost, and they're gonna go down inside this piece right here. Slide this down in here like this, and you see these Velcro pieces right there? That's gonna go inside. That's gonna wrap around once I get it down in here. So, and then you see these little Velcro pieces right here. That's gonna slide over like that. It's got this reflective material on the inside for retaining heat. So then once you get all of this together, it looks like you've got these Velcro straps right here. Oh, that Velcro's tough. You're gonna run these Velcro straps right like that on each side. You see how it goes just like that. That's some industrial grade Velcro right there. I guess they got it so it doesn't blow away. And there's a little door right here. Now you're gonna put the heated bed down in there. And there's a little flappy thing right there where the cord's gonna come out. Just like that. Wow, that feels really good. I almost want to take a nap in there. The cover is all Velcroed, and that will go on there just like this. You see how this is adjustable? Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it all put together, and I'm just gonna show you how everything assembled on this thing. So you get this plastic coating that goes on the top. That's what these little snaps are for. I was not the biggest fan of this. This feels kind of like cheap right here, so I'm not a biggest fan of this plastic coating, so I'm probably not gonna put that on there. So we'll go ahead and take this off. And it just slides on there like that. Mine ripped as soon as I put it on there, the bottom right there. So I don't think you need that thing, but let me show you how this thing looks overall. It feels indestructible. It feels really good. It's got a door that opens, and the way you're gonna tighten that door up, the way you're gonna kind of have the door just kind of open like this is tighten that up, and it holds the door open so the cat can jump in and out right here. This is a Velcro top that comes on and off. It's got nice logos on the side. Looks really premium all around. Once you put it together, have the frame and everything, it looks good. These little hooks right here are gonna be for the stakes. So you're just gonna run down like that so it doesn't get blown away or anything. You have a little door right here. This can roll up and go up under there. So if you wanna add some more ventilation, summertime ventilation, you'll lift that little door up. The little flap right here for the electrical cord. I will be running this on a solar panel and on a inverter, so I'll always have power on it. So let me go ahead, bring the cat out, let him check it out, let him sit in there and see what he thinks. I will turn that on and see how warm that gets. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I just got Rocky and he checked it out. So let's take a look. There's Rocky in there. He doesn't mind it at all. He seems to already be getting used to it. He had just been able to jump up in there. Let's leave the door down. Kitty, kitty. Let's see if he can, let's see, he can figure it out. Rocky, you want to get back in there? Let's see if he can figure out how to get back in there. He doesn't mind it at all. I can already tell you, he's gonna like this thing. Let's see if we can see him in there. Kitty, kitty, kitty. He is in there. This Velcro might make him a little nervous. Yeah, that Velcro made him nervous pulling on it. And so I went ahead and staked it down right here. I've got it ran right here beside my little storage building. I have a solar panel with inverter setup coming out of that box. You can see he's in there. I've got electricity ran to this thing and already filling of it in here. It's got a heated pad right here and I can feel the heat in this one area right here. I don't know how many watts it's pulling exactly, but it's very warm in there. But I think this is something that's going to be great for anyone that has an outdoor cat that they just want to like take care of a little better. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the cat warrant box. See you on the next video.